आज की सुबह हमारे देश के नाम, हमारे पूर्वजों के नाम और हमारे बहुत ही पावन स्थलों के नाम। बिहार को मिला फिर से एक सम्मान है कि बिहार को मिला फिर से एक सम्मान है। इसकी गौरव, इसकी गरिमा को मिलने जा रहा आज एक नई पहचान है। इसकी गौरव, इसकी गरिमा को मिलने जा रहा आज एक नई पहचान है। जो हजारों वर्षों पहले मिटा दी गई थी इसकी निशानी, जो हजारों वर्षों पहले मिटा दी गई थी इसकी निशानी, आज फिर से एक विशाल कायाकल्प लेकर देश दुनिया को परसोगी ज्ञान। हाँ, ये वही धरती है, हाँ ये वही धरती है जहाँ विद्वानों की होती हर रूप में अवतार। हाँ, ये वही धरती है जहाँ विद्वानों की होती हर रूप में अवतार। हाँ, ये फिर से एक बार तेज रफ्तार में भरने वाली है उड़ान। इस बार नई ऊर्जा दीर्घ संकल्प लेकर, इस बार नई ऊर्जा दीर्घ संकल्प लेकर करेगी हौसलों से भरी एक नई पहचान की उड़ान। गुड मॉर्निंग, आदाब, सलाम वालेकुम, प्रणाम, का हाल बाटे? My name is Shika and today is our presentation session. You all I know that presentation session. Yes, because my definition is all I say that presentation session is body language, a lot of things, but my definition is very changed because I thought that my presentation is very special day for me because I wear the new cloth and the hairstyle and lot of things. All students are ready for them because very special day and because I am here for the break this stage. I am here to share my thought. I am here for the convert my message to the front of you. So आज मैं बात करने जा रही हूँ एक ऐसे पवित्र स्थान के बारे में। आज मैं बात करने जा रहा हूँ एक ऐसे पवित्र इंसान के बारे में जो हमारे देश दुनिया में और हमारे बिहार में अपना परचम लहराया है। So can you guess my topic? No, guys, थोड़ा, yeah, you are right. My topic is Nalanda University. Yes, guys, I am talking about Nalanda University, one of the very biggest university of the world. Yes, because this whole world under this is one of the very famous university of the world. Yes, guys, and this university is really very famous and very great. Ago time, a number of university, but other university different to Nalanda University because Nalanda University located in Bihar. Nalanda University started in 5th century, very oldest generation under. And you know that it is inspired for me because all are know that what is the knowledge and what is the education, because education is start from there. Yes, guys, and you know who is the man who was the started this? Yeah, you have idea? No, this university started by Kumar Pratham. Yes, guys, Kumar Pratham, and this person is really very good person. And you know that now time all students are focused on their own desire, but no anyone understand and no anyone think that what is my education and what is the ago time my education system. But now all are just like make the video. No, and you know Nalanda University under a lot of things, a lot of service. And why Nalanda University is famous? You know that because the reason is that Nalanda University under 19 lakhs books available present. That is why Nalanda University is famous. And you know that Aryabhat, who is the man give the zero? You know that?
Yes.
Aryabhat. Yeah, Aryabhat. Yes, this person is very famous. And this person, that time leader of this Nalanda University. So I want to say one quote. Yes. जो अब तक न खोला वो खून नहीं पानी है, जो अब तक न खोला वो खून नहीं पानी है, जो देश के काम ना आए वो बेकार जवानी है, जो देश के काम ना आए वो बेकार जवानी है। ना पूछो हमसे कि क्या हमारी कहानी है, ना पूछो हमसे कि क्या हमारी कहानी है, ना 1 मिनट, ना पूछो हमसे कि क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो यही है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं। So again I explained Nalanda University. Yes, guys. You know that who is man destroyed the Nalanda University? No, that is wrong. Bakhtiyar Khilji. Yes, guys. That person is very bad. What I say, I have a I have Hindi word for this person really, because I present that time I took 4 फाड़ really. Bakhtiyar Khilji is very bad man, but you know वो कहते हैं ना comeback. That is point. Bakhtiyar Khilji destroyed my Nalanda University, and that moment is very bad for all of us and for me. Nalanda University when started, and that time Bakhtiyar Khilji had some disease, and that disease not good and not good for his Sultan, his doctors. But you know that time Nalanda Vishwavidyalaya had a knowledge and number of very famous person, a very knowledgeable person, and this person have a manner and knowledge how to treatment to that person. Bakhtiyar Khilji that not bardast these types of knowledge in Nalanda Vishwavidyalaya. That is why I made point. Bakhtiyar Khilji, that man, Nalanda University under that man give those one book for the reading every day. That time this person Bakhtiyar Khilji read this book, and his disease, yeah, and very better feel and good. So that is point he not bardast, and he thought that how is it possible? Nalanda Vishwavidyalaya have a manner, have a knowledge, but I have no. That is why he destroyed the Nalanda University. 6 months. Still burned. Yes, 6 months still burned the Nalanda University. 19 lakhs books and 2,000 teachers and 10,000 above students present there. And you know that Pandulipi, Hastlikhit books. Because as a that part of tree, just like a branch of tree. As at that time books, yeah. So that is very raw capable, but not understand. But what I want to say one incident. When I went to Nalanda University with my friends Nandu, Jagriti, Nisha, all, and my Chandram sir, all went there. That time I shocked. Oh my God! This is how is it possible? So long distance, 40 hectares area located in Bihar under. So that time I shocked, and number of old things and rivers and plants, yeah, gardens, and so beautiful girls and boys. You know, foreigners, other countries, foreigners, and Buddhist. I so much like, guys, really. I too much like foreigners and Buddhist, because I one time, one moment is very nice. That time my sir said, sir, I want to take with a photo to other foreigners. That time younger sir, respect, please, I want to take one photo to your camera. That time this person in my mobile take one selfie. That is not good. That time we thought, what is this? And after that, one incident, Buddhist, all student, I and all my friends go to stand the walls, and that time all Buddhists are so prayer that time, and all students that time Buddhist said, what is this on language, but I don't understand. That time one selfie took, thank you this type of this is very nice moment that time. And you know logical subjects, that time logical subject. And one thing is very famous, you know, now time interview, all I know that interview, but that time took interview, because if 100 student want to take in admission that university, and firstly took interview, give that interview, because this university of the rule, 100% people went there, and after that 20% student took admission, and otherwise 80% no, because that time check IQ level. After that, give the admission. That is why this is the very. And I want to say one sing a song just like all girls and boys and Bihari. वो कहते हैं ना, 100 पर एगो जो भारी होई तो पूछ लिया पक्का बिहारी होई. Yes, so that is main point. Come back. Now 2024 under by opened university, Nalanda University in Bihar by the Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India. Yes, guys, Prime Minister of India, and all ministers are present there because APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, guys, ये हमारे देश के लिए बहुत ही बड़ा शान और गर्व की बात है. APJ Abdul Kalam, he thought that time destroyed this university, found 800 year after, thought that APJ Abdul Kalam in 2006 under, okay, my university destroyed, but I want to build a new university, Nalanda University, and now it is possible. And how is it possible? Because Bihari is super bhari. That is why. And I want to say one side. न सरकार मेरा है न रौब मेरा है, न सरकार मेरा है न रौब मेरा है, न बड़ा सा नाम मेरा है. मुझे खुशी तो एक छोटी सी बात की गौरव पर होती है. मुझे तो छोटी सी बात की गौरव में खुशी होती है. मैं हिंदुस्तान की हूँ और हिंदुस्तान मेरा है. यस गाइस. और एक आप लोग आज बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हो रियली. और आई वांट टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. चांद से पर्दा कीजिए, कहीं चुरा ले चेहरे का नूर. ओ मेरे हमनवा, ओ मेरे हुजूर. So thank you. You have been a great audience today. For thank you. I call that you.